Okay, so I'm back, believe it or not. I don't know when this video is gonna go up. My hair is all over the place because I have videos since last year. So I think the last video that was up on my channel, I had like bangs. I clearly don't have bangs anymore. Also, since my last video, my little cousin broke my camera. So we're back with less quality. Is it even yes, it is recording. Okay. Anyway, besides that, I'm still gonna get ready in low quality. So we'll see how this goes. Zooming in is gonna be a struggle. Everything's gonna be a struggle, but that's okay. So the whole reason for this video is because I bought stuff from the Kylie birthday collection. The palette, the velvet lip kit, and the Kyliner. So I also have other Kylie products, so I'm gonna get ready with as many Kylie products as I can. AirPods are in, fan is off, and I am dying of heat in here. The main thing I wanted from the collection that I got is the You're So Money Baby palette. It's super pretty. The packaging on this is like great. Like it's just, she always kills it, I feel. I love it. I love it. It's so freaking pretty. I also got her velvet lip kit in the shade Kylie. I have the matte, but I prefer the velvet formula. Again, the packaging, great, amazing. Dollar signs, green lid, and then the lip liner has green writing. Then the last thing I got from this collection was the Kyliner. I tried this out when I got the package. Hello, new gardener. I tried this out, but I was under the influence, so I think it was good though. It was good. I FaceTimed my best friend and told her it was good, so yeah, I'm gonna start off with the eyes, even though I don't know what I want to do, because I am gonna try to use the eyeliner and I'm not good at eyeliner, so I feel like I could fix that with concealer maybe. Should I zoom you guys in? How does that even work? Let's see. Oh, okay, we're zoomed, I guess. Welcome to my face. Oh, that's very pink. Oh, that's a lot pinkier than I thought it would be. That's way pinkier than I wanted it to be, but it's super cute. I'm gonna blend it all the way in now with whatever's left on the brush. Pero te sueño despierto, hoy salí para la calle suelto. I'm looking at it and I'm like, should I add more? I think I might add more. I think I should also stop. I'm gonna stop. Okay, we're gonna jump into the Kyliner. It's so nice and thin and fine, honestly. I'm just a little baby. Why did I blink as I looked up? That was such a stupid thing to do. I'm an idiot. Watch me just cancel this whole thing because of eyeliner. Like that She's Lulu video. I keep extending it and ruining it, so that's good. Alexa Demi really took that Q-tip, put it in her mouth, and then cleaned up the
Here are
one.
the latest video games. Fire Emblem, 3 Houses for Nintendo Switch.
I forgot I had an Alexa. See, I'm like, evenness just isn't even a thing for me when it comes to eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner, honestly. My skills are trash. I shouldn't have done that, probably. I only have one Kylie Skin concealer, but I do have a KKW one that matches my face. So, she's a sister. I figured it's fine, right? Okay, here we go. Don't mess up anymore. Don't mess up. My base never looks good, by the way, so don't expect anything. I don't think that made it better or more even, but I did it, and it's done. I kept going and messed it up more. I have green glitter all over the place from this eyeshadow, by the way. As I've said forever, I'm not good at brows, and I haven't gotten them done in a minute, so they're gonna look even worse than usual. I'm gonna try it all over my lips. I'm gonna remove all of it in the center. Too much might come off on the doe foot, if I'm being honest. Maybe I should have removed a little. Yeah, okay, no. Way too much. I'm just like, no. I didn't get the birthday collection gloss, but I do have a pinky toned gloss. I'm just gonna do touch-ups now. We did it! We're done! I actually freaking love this look. I love the eyeshadow palette, the lip kit with the gloss on top. Also, like, her velvet formula is my fave. This Kyliner, though, I know they're uneven, but, like, I love the look of this eyeliner. Like, I'm so happy about how this turned out. This freak in the waterline, I mean, can y'all see that? Do y'all see anything? Again, I don't know because I don't have my camera anymore. Let me know what y'all think about this look. Will you be recreating it, friends? Probably not. But you know what? It's okay. Just thanks for watching. As long as you watch, I appreciate it with all my heart and my soul. Yeah, that's it for this one. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.
Oh, no, that's not the way to get over me.